Abusia for ya mamunyi na mwache edamuasia haya Sompa 93.1 kasafidie so Ebraso say somewhere coach ko bremai ano payment day August boso me day to so edumie no ye de ebaba be dan mo de eba no edoso ne mo de obeti bie wo mo no ene say ye kasa ya na dwumekuo ya ye mpotamo bambo hye wonom sa wonom etu anamobi ewo enkrane ne mpotamo ne nyina no eba beboa ye de mo nsem eba bedam sanso ena krobia sante kotoko hene wono so etrese ohene bi edi eniamo ho die nti no ede ade ena wode aye na na no pe asotwe ne nyina no emu enseme wa ha sei na panyi pe bi ya wono so dintintiman e wo mrahye badwam wono so etrese etuo bi ayese ye ba betete chachafo ne ade no wono so efua so panyi ben ena eka we sei enro da nyankopɔ twedi apo basa yadom bc so ahwe no Jesus for no enso edi ni nyina akogudie kwa mu nyina bi eyade a ewa ha se no sanso ena yewura okujeto abrakwa wono so eka asem bi edi akyerema mpanya wo kyerese wo hwe eyo a ebetimi aboa no ewusian sabi ni afoforo edika na editie ene na no pay wo hene yire maame ekua yeboa asia mama transfer ma no be hu asew ede amam na yaka isa Sompa TV multi TV decoder no so no yedem live e wo ho sanso ena Sompa 93.1 Kumase ne nkwado wode wani kyeremu e wo bono mantamu a sunyane eye Sompa 98.9 ho adehye so eto yen sanso ena bono apoye mantamu enkranza ene ne nkwado no so ye Sompa 90.7 www.sompaonline.com and seven nyina ya krukra e de akwakogu ho na sanso na Facebook no eye Sompa TV Ghana ana Sompa 93.1 YouTube nso eye Sompa TV Twitter eye Sompa TV/Sompa FM systematic one Kelvin ne anope wonum ena ebo michidon sanso na ekwoba just premo or MC aho a wo twa yen afa befo kwan so afa yen gibrani adaje na ensem ni church mu nyina na yefa emesom Wameyi ama adwumekuo bi tumi sa wonum hwe se be ye mpotamo bambo ebetimi ada wonum abem no mo ne Environmental Protection Agency wonum panyi pa Dr. Henry Kokofu wono so edidom wanim ama ye kase no wonum edomani akyerema ewotama East mpotamo ne nyina no adwumekuo bi a wonum ye nade ho adwuma no wonum ekyerese wone ema bi a wade agugu kwan mu no entimi mua ema adwumayefo no ene mpotamo hofo no wo ho bambo no enyina ne naso nti ye kasa de wonum akwakototom ye nkọ bra wonum aduru ho no Dr. Henry Kokofu panyi edansempi edi kyereye
non-ferrous company, which is also into recycling, the same production line as the first one, and it's quite horrible. You saw it. You weren't happy. I was so much annoyed. The environment they're working in, subjecting the employees to all kinds of exposure, including hazardous substances like acid, like lead, smoke, and all that. So we've called for temporary closure of the facility. And to make matters even more annoying, you don't get anybody to even speak to you on what they are doing and all that. They decided to keep mute and not cooperating with us, answering questions. So we've called for a closure, and then we will bring in our officers on Monday to do what we call environmental auditing. We are
Ebusia de ayatine nkan Dr. Henry Kokofu wono na EPA boss panyi pa ya ye kase no o se de ehin ebufu twanso mu kura no unya obi se wo adwumakuo ni mu opese wona wo kasente no ene animu ya wono matumbre pem no wono mu ko office no mu ko ye hwehwe mu esi ase fikofiko a na se ehu hia se obebia wono akwakobie ye to ansam no so de amamode aye ba asante mantama se nom na asante mara wote krare wote brare ni kruwe mu maso otumfo se to abebi onyam kese wono so na asante manyina ehye ne nsa wote kokko so wo kyerese ahenie wohwe no ye de ba se emeboate memofo ye tamo esi akonwa so a na eno enkyerese betietia dipa fa ahodie so efi se wo kyeremu a krama wo no hu se wo sipata so a na eye nipa na atam no esi wonte no enye se wo ba betena pata no so wie no abedwon so ade egu wonom so ntia nam so ama bekwai abodom hene na nasa follow koto wase ne niam bi a wo ye no hyeda emmoa ne temamufo nti no wanam so amakwedu ode bebo no ewo krobia asante kotoko hene nim no be se aduonu waje ni nyina atomo ya wonom so ebisebisa no wanya no ye biente no anam so na konwa no wonom ehwana se a wayi ni na se empaboa na asemiente no ade achia bia dwumadi eso enu adalma hene yadubo achetena se na wane empanyifo twetwe enkomo no empanyi pa bi ya wono so edi ni dwuma wonim abakosem ye papa ye friend teacher safo kantanka wono so ene no ebo nkomo ma ensem no emu nkyeremu kakra ya wonya ye na busua ye enkotie bi mra
ayo so to say okandene etu bi ade so na sede munim no wa na mpaboa ne kire se nipa no wa ye die eni kwaso ye ali eni kwaso ye no kura nyina echi no enye se ofre wa na wotu ade so na no nyina nim yoka kumase enkunyafo ho nti kumase man se twehia ye na omudi na sam ebu anofo ansana kusandene ade na no eto so wa kumase fo nyina o ka ho bi na ye tie wasam ebu aka wasam amana posise odi fo the phone no odi no so anya fo a ye ka bi ma wo ye ni odi fo amana bo so ya jese wa nsai na to nsai no so dia ogu sika ho fi ogu antama ho fi ogu osanje na ho fi dia anyo ma mi ensen so kubo ba ko bia o do asan ba ko so bia ko fore ya kanya ndi so ya sabe kanin ti wono pradia ogu sika ho fi sa na sanje na ho fi nanka e ya fai we na ka se jo du kwa ya se bia amne apakane de ka se ja kwa ya se enga kum na yekoko di adia ya ema otu na dia so na chese atu ni sai e ka se watu sai ya ono ne se ediku osantete ediku asha wonsa wana abijira na nim sai ye se sumu ewiemu sumu eshemu usai ya ye frau anapa ewia anadu ko de sumu a obaba we na wode etwa unsai ya no se kura sha wonsa infin so wa kunya sofo nyina ebo kwadu te unsi oda kwa sa yaran sa ko so nyina wona odi akiri eji husika ana wayi kunti ne ana ojina ho o khaji ma wo no di sika en ta se o pro nyina wa ton be bia e di wuro ene eyi atape dawa enkomu na nanam gina ye na ogo twamu ya eze kuno enye wasam na yidi wasam na ebu awfo ese kwa na ese
ye wura tu sa na moyi
eno ene asam kese a ewo mu asam kese ba ko ewo mu ne se otumfu ankasa tutu ne nan eko kuno so kwa pro na otikumase kwa nsia na kwa bi kwangu tie ka wono oba uje na nimu segalam se no bebe yo dio bebe bi anta na ji me sai so ni de wa yi tumfo anga sa tituni nai ababo da mo obe ho asa ko ni ansho ho ba na kan si anchre no ni na galam se de asam kase ya e kan ni ntia tumfo tu na de so
abusia de yeti ninken teacher safo kantanka wono aba kwasam ho a wodi ntintima na enu adade a chia bi adwumedie so na kwabna kese tena dwam wo fidwiem hasenum no eno no opanyin ebo nkoma ya dane ebi achi ede amamo no ye bo awram wo ensem foforo mo na enche ye ena Ghana Revenue Authority adwumekuo ya o meditumi ahya wonom sese yeto ho ahodie nyina no wonom enfa ento mabem no wonom edebetu dwasa sede niama esi kono ye kase de ni esi adwumekuo ba kwa akese no nko aso a entimi emwa ye ema omeye bota ye se benya sika ede aboye ho bra no entimi emamu enu ti sabre ye kase de anwuma nketua ene akese ahodo ni nyina no wonom ekaka wono ni edisi wonom so sebe ye obeje to kakra na tiatia etimi aboto ade ama omeye na yetimi de abo empuntunwuma na eno ena eka ho biente no Commissioner of the Domestic Tax Revenue Division no wo GRA yewra Edward Jamra wode ensemi ebetu dwa ɛna wode wani kyerɛ mu ɛwɔ mmarahyɛ badwa mu adɔm kɛseɛ no ba no dani ya wode wani kyerɛ mu ɛwɔ Swami Abato mpɛsua so asantemantam ase no mu a wɔno ɛna gyina mu sɛ mmarahyɛ badwa ne de ma de hyɛ yɛ ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛnso ɛde ɛfoa so sɛ saa agyinaseɛ yɛ mpanyinfoɔ de aba no wɔpɛ so efi sɛ wɔnom ɛyɛ ne saa ebetimi aboa papaapa yɛ kyakyato ɛne adeɛ loto ne nyinaa no ɛne ewudi ya no yɛnte so fasuo ne bi sɛ bɛyɛ a ɛno so betimi aboa mo ɔmɛyi yɛtimi anya sika.
Let me show my bias. I don't believe in betting. I don't believe in luck. I believe in say obeye adwumaden na sam fifiri na obeye nyesi. On say ne chrono we can say the chrono so ye. Let's be serious with ourselves. Me betting na ba I'm talking for myself as an individual. Anya aban asem na make. Me nye ho. It doesn't encourage hard work. It doesn't encourage hard work. The media as an individual, I don't engage in lottery because I don't believe in that. I don't believe in luck. The Jumadin, maybe Shasun. Now, because I was in Yamia, Madomana, Mokuchanoma, when he will be a cobocrono, Zokoya, Yamia, Madomekoya, and Jimmy. But I say, Yamina Cobocrono. But I say, Okoya, and Chino, or if you know, will be Unio Kuviano. See, Udene close to Pao, Yamina, Madom Pao.
Ebusia ya chairman Sabon Sudom do one about no deni ya wasaya ya Swami Abato mpɛsua so mmarahyɛ badwani ene ye kɔ ekotie no na ɛna no juada ɛna ɔdomfo no ɛyɛ adom abrewe ebo wonya ebedru ye ema ye nuan momo junior secondary school no ana junior high school no wonom enso hwetwe twatoɔ no wonom etimi ade hye so BC so hwɛ no na enu afiada ɛna ne nyina no ekogu ye anam so ebinte no sɛde enema ekokɔ meamea hodoɔ bra enkwada no etwere ewie ye no ye nkonkotie ye ne ebinom etwetwe enkomo
we de koye plan so de koye wuye lebuye we de I pay good grade.
As I said, nay, so we see the inquiry with me. And yet, I say, dance, pressure be anymore with me. I bumpire say, actually, we in there. A mom come out, so a mobile. I'm a more many other no mamma, kidney, or my kidney inquiry, a ritual. State boys.
So, as I'm saying, trying there. Because they see and be brain bad. And I said, a man stress, giddy, assess. Some way one chair say the but any other pass it maturely. That's fine. I don't expect to say, yeah, truly, the whole Ghana will be a binyan first choice and a second choice school. It's my money in the edge. Also, like, local school. Local school is the king of course. I just, I will push it
was nice, everything was sounding and cool. Yeah, my expectation is that our results will come up and then we'll be flying like with good results and everything. Yes.
Ebusia na chese enkwada ne bia wonom etimi etwe sohwe no ewie ye no ebi ano disem ena yekɔ ekotie ye no afeya ne nkyeremu ewo North Tongue Abato mpɛsua so mmarahyɛ badwane ya wɔgyina mu edema adehya wa mmarahyɛ badwam eye Yewura Samuel Okujeto Ablakwa na wano so ɛkyerɛ na nsɛn ensɛm ahodoɔ bi a ɛkokɔ so ɛwɔ Niger ɛne ne mpɔtam no nyina no ɛne sɛ aban mampanyin ya wɔte adwa so no ɛne asrafoɔ atu na se ya wɔno mankasa ɛna edi wɔ man no so no ɛyɛ ade a ECOWAS mpanyinfoɔ ɛyɛ ade wɔn de nsɛm pii na yɛ no ɛyɛ kɔkɔbɔ nsɛm ɛde ama asrafoɔ yi so wɔn mpɛ ne to mpɛ ne no a wɔnom hwɛ na wɔn ɛma mpanyin no wɔnom ɛnsa ɛfa no ɛnsi so biem na no krampo nso anam so ama Nyankopɔn ɛyɛ adomo a ya wada ya edi anim ya no ECOWAS nso asigyinaye ɛsɛ wɔnom ɛde wɔn ani bɛkyerɛ mu ɛwɔ Nigeria Kropon Abuja mu na wɔnom akɔ se ayɛ nhyehyɛeɛ asigyinaye kwan pɔn bɛfa so ya saa military coup yɛ a akɔ so ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Niger no wɔnom bɛhu kwan pa wɔnom ɛbɛfa so nam so nte no wɔnom ɛkyerɛ sɛ neɛ ECOWAS aman ne nyinaa ɛhyehyɛ aseɛ no wɔnom ɛbɛpa asrafoɔ no bi aba na ɛna wɔn de akɔ fie so ɛwɔ Niger asrafoɔ no so anim ɛno ɛna ɛnam so Yewura Ablakwa ɛkyerɛ sɛ sanana dodanko akufoɔ do mampanyin wɔkɔ na sɛ ensɛm bi sɛ ba ne yɛsi yɛ ba bɛfa Ghana asrafoɔ do wɔn ani akyerɛ mu ɛwɔ Niger wɔn kɔ patantɔkɔ so wɔn kɔ kontɔkɔ o ɛwɔ sɛ Sergeant Sieno, what the bebo ewam na shebedrem, na wanom so etimi efwa so anase biom kase bia yempene so. Efisa wan hweye na wa wokwa kwaboa ama empatana no adwono anasa ntokwa no anu adwono ebewie no wo saman no na enkofo eba betu mani e de esi oso. Yenkotie yewura ablakwa ensem hwemu.
That we condemn the approach of the Akufo-Addo government. They should have subjected all of these matters to a full-blown parliamentary debate. Look at what is happening even in Nigeria. Despite the president's decision, the Senate is debating these matters and even departing from the president's decision. Other countries are subjecting this major decision to a parliamentary debate, a parliamentary vote for a parliamentary resolution. That is what is done in a democracy. Why is it that President Akufo-Addo, he just gets off and he goes there communicating a Ghanaian position? How did he arrive at that Ghanaian position? Has there been a debate? Has there been national consensus? Has there been a certain bipartisan approach? No. That is why in the statement that the NDC put out yesterday, signed by the General Secretary, we are calling on the President to come back to Ghana, come to Parliament, that's where the people's representatives are. Let's have a debate, and then we can know what really the Ghana position is and what direction we should take as a country. As it is now, it is only the president who purports to be, and you see the irony is that you are going out there to lecture others on democracy. But in your country, back at home, you are not following democratic tenets. Democracy demands that such major, look, we are talking about deployment of troops. Soldiers can be killed. They are not going to, for a tea party. They are not going to present a bouquet of flowers. They are going to war. Lives will be lost. And then, who is going to fund that war? It is the Ghanaian people, the Ghanaian taxes. Have we discussed this? Have we debated it? Have we been told how much it will cost us? And do we, even the state of this economy, at a time that we are going through a domestic debt exchange program, all of these financial haircuts, pensioner bondholders, contractors are owed over 15 billion cedis, school feeding caterers are owed, NAPCO trainees are owed, everybody is owed. This is Assembly Common Fund, MP's Common Fund.
Ebusia for Yara Samuel Okujato Ablakwa Monya for Yawano Ejina Musemra Shebedreni Edema Adesha one more North Tongue about Sompa so Wamra Shebedrem no and I call Equotia no. I feel Samra Santimanta Marcel Mobiem. Now what ye trem ye no and Kumasi Kropon Bedrano Ayashaye. Se ene asemo mo beka ye e de kire pragia for kekefo ene ye tricycle for ni nyina no se won mo hwe ene kumasi kropon ye fifi ho no nya de a wo mo betimi de wo mo ka no aba ha se no na so wonum ebumra no so ya so brache nam so nte no ye se patapa pie to ye de mra ene road se no kemefo so e de task force for etigu wonum so ye kwa ye pinche ene aplosifo kora akokọ wonum so a na ene enya ye boni nyina mu nsema de kire mu aplosifo no no ebi eplepla ya ne ade na eno na wonom kire se wonom ba behwe na eye tricycles ahodo pagya ne nkwado ahodo na wonom gigi ye nyina no wonom esa de ba be ma wonom na ebom wo ba begye ahwe se eto adase boa wonom atwa de atoso no efa so bracha we ye ne ho no obetimi aba betua ebusia ye se enwomo da ye te edifri ni wura no head of urban transport ye no ewo keme yera Randolph Wilson one Sompa kasefo twetwe nkomo ye nkotie ehyehyeye no se de wosi de ho asem etudwa.
The first on the modalities is that to prove the true ownership of the tricycle, the person must come with a document, the document covering the tricycle. And then when he comes with a document covering the tricycle, he will fill this document. Then he will have a witness, and then KMA would also have somebody sign over here. Now when that is done, we will take the person to where the tricycle is. We will get it identified. He will stand in front of it, and then we will take a photo. The first thing was for us to have asked them to bring photos, passport pictures, but because it's delayed, we are going to make them stand by the tricycle, and then we will take photos of them being given the tricycles, and then they will take it away. But as part of this document, we have also attached the map to it so that they will get to know that this is the radius within which I am not supposed to work. They've been given to pay just 134 as it is expressed in the fee fixing resolution. But this is a special exercise that the Assembly is taking, and the General Assembly agreed that for this special exercise, to ensure that it works, whoever's tricycle is impounded would have to pay 500 cedis before the person picks it. And it is taking effect from the 14th of August all the way up to the end of the period that the special exercise would end. It's difficult for us to get to know where they are. And we said that as the Assembly came out with the rule, obey it, write your grievances, and bring it to the Assembly for us to address.
I was seeing you around the world saying, well, no, and well, yeah, Penny Paya, Shentie, and then one and Chronoby will came, you know, what that I know, that you say, while we are so bracha, ya, so, what kekos our project, what do one of my summoner. And ya wo ba 500 Ghana cedis kanisika no 5 million na wo de aka ho na baby nso so a ye je wo ka na say wo praje akosi ye no na wo de wani akire ho na osi nyame ya doma adadwada August 14 and na wono so bi akwanya no de ato ho na no disem no Echinalaji Abdullahi Ali Bali wono ayenkwaso hene de mazongo community ya no ewo asante mantama senom wono so de kakra tight so yenkonkotie wo panyin no ensem bia wode emayen
futo de mesi omukwa mamunye bibia mamunye ade emfata omuntumbo ase mabeduru ase no muntumbo ase amebua bibia beda din amomo nso obi mienu ekontoka wantie bofubufa untimiere ensoro enkwajaji ntina mo ba ase ya omaka omode na akire yeso ya tworo omode na atwo mbisi na yeso ne kemro okotena ase ahu die na omoso ekan na omoso omumpe na ya hu ekwanse be fade ede asundie dewe ebeba omienu ntim
Abusiana enwechi no ena ye Rasid Mubarak wono eni titine ni de mapradia Workers Association of Ghana one also edeka krebi etitle say.
Now we have already encouraged our members to calm down since the authorities and our MP Mutaka Mubarak to have said he involved in the case. So he's trying to bring what we also want. So there's no need for you to go in town and be doing certain things again.
Abusia dia yatene nkan eye Rasid Mubarak wono ene yetitene edema prajia adwumayefo no enkabom koye no ewo omemu hasenom Yefa ensiana yenko aye Facebook mo messages kakra ya abano na yenkenkan enfa emamo Sompa 93.1 ena oguso awute Sompa TV ni so hwe na piaga wasi good morning wo hwe the free achem asafo piaga good morning to you too ya dase papa ye esanso na abna ensunyame ye kaswa wasi eke Dr. Baumia ebeba wasi super weekends news by all standard ye dase wasi news way edemo ajibebi eti nenchi akese akwa monmonya for Justina number 5 and also wo yeda se papa ye Sanso na Hernandez Fidel Hayford was say good morning to you too Tade and also Eddie Free Eba was say clear and loud Dr. Free Akoto was so no ene obia was sefata se wonum etime edeno eba na oyibo boatene ne uncle enyina Reverend E Boaten was senchi akese enko enfama wonum star boy eso hweye edemo ewo Afumem airport was Sompa kase no size yeda senchi akese was yasma kwadwo space miami nua kwadwo space me so mechia oyibo boatene yo yeda se star boy so edie eno no virgin Mensa was so hweye free akrokere brapenyi yeda se papa ye sanso ena piaga good morning to you tabusia yefa ensia se ne fa seda kese enfa ma mizo free drink eye mizo eye 5G anono de mienu we say yaka abom ye de abaye se somoen na eje wa hoto nya wa ho den na eje wa pomden na mizo free drink na mesraw eya no de we esitre bi anim no preservative ye fa so mu bia esoso mu nteno wono mu emo pomden na mo ahoden na asa ama oniema asisi so ye ye wa mango flavor no ko ade wo ho ene e wo de de anka ene abrobe kakra ene we kakra banana kakra ya keke ni nyina bom aye de fua ne de aye baako aye de egu kan baakom eno so ye mix one eno de me peppa papa bi so se wo pe mango ne papa mesraw e kwada na ikosko aye nya bi e fa hye wonom e lunch box sum san so ene adwumade bia wodie ne se ye eyiyo abedin tuo pare awudo bi a woto anasa ware mesra na ye memen dadwumade pina no ene wo ye nim ompa nim guase ompa bodina keka eye binzo free drink ena ye kan for the amawo na 5G meza no so no eye energy drink wa watoba ha wa ho ode asa wa bre e wa wudwumade mo no mesra e bo papa if say ye sum jensen e de egum san so na great thing so no ya hye ne be e wo mu na wontimi entibi ni agwara na e wom ni nte no mesra be ma wanum ate na wati bi e de grape any grapefruit so e boa papa e ma wa ho ode no e ba chapo e ye 5G meza any mizo na ye kan for de ama wo mo amotonton ne ma ensio drinks ne adom magi bi nton na munya fa so pe wa ne bo no so e da fom gboko e de sa achechede nante san so e na supermarket ahodo mata ahodo ne nyina so no mo ne ye eni enkita ho ye besoa bi de abramo ba bi awo na ne dodo mo no Sompa TV Sompa FM asenom e na ye wo e wo komase so 0246 270 221 0246 270 221 a mizo free drink and 5G mesa and an pay ye can for ede amawo asada kese enkoma ye rasante ye boa Benedict and the news crew mo Sompa 3.1 kwabna kese and na ya boa ma akwasi aso mo amunyina kukwa bronika jandos of mami premeni akwasi je wa kode ye mame ya Grace wonum nyina eka ye ho sanso and asunyane kwenya kwa bro no mo bu mpa medua ba me mo wache wone ne dom chiame nimo eni sie ne na napokumu nyina so ye da no mase sanso na Nkranza South and an importantamo e wobnapo ye mantema ye Sompa 90.7 ekwia boachewa asempeti aminua ba papa bi papa tos ene apam dada ene wono maka ni nyina so afemu de ka ho na esemi yetim beda mo ese kase ebo ewo ye kase fidi ahodo no so medi de wahene yire maame ekwia ye boa esia mamada mo asia ma moniti enemom aseda ne bi nkoma Kevin ene ya systematic Koba Justice Premo and Momo MC Ahonyina no pay ye that one must say yes sorry so happy birthday to you happy birthday to you happy birthday to you. It's going to my one and only sister Kwasia Jewa Kodia Tumpodie ba minie made of papa bi manu menua your friend Mrs. Harriet Boatin what did juma e was Sompa ya ne no e na kakase wa hana no ate se akọ no sister na e wa woda mesra nyankopon so ntonko so anya wadom na o ma ne ma e fe ne ma ye ne gie ne ma ya kese nko a ya nkonimdie ete akire e na emra wa brabom nyankopon fon fra domo enko adom awrade nya wo kyem na o katabo na no pay onya wo poma ontutu anamonsi bia ekron na wa wodai enye awoda papa ya efe enfama wa fefofra wanya aka wo mfie ho awrade ema no emfa empuntu nko a e na emra wa brabom ukunu na naboate wo ye dwumadi anase odi ne dwuma wo Tech FM wono so se odo papa ye nti yemfa nchi akese ema ebusia yes sorry so nana ya bo amalibia boga no pay ode eye Ghana fapem dwumadie no eba abesomo eye atie bi na ensem dene ensem pampuntu ensem e na ewo ma wode besomo